Hello everyone, this is Aquashow here. Today I will review for my uh, toys a dinosaur from 25 years ago. First, let me show that. Well, this is a Taurosaurus. Maybe this Triceratops or Taurosaurus grow in the dark. Here. See. It means I don't know what to do it. So I have many questions for them. So scan it's Edmontonia. I grow in dark. The dinosaur. Or so once a dinosaur the milk for this. Also guess the thinking with about that one. So my review of everything went through, so I will find more dinosaur toys quick. Now I'm back now, so let's continue the Also, the Edmontonia has spikes. I will do it for all. And next is Miragaia, a stegosauridae for creature. I bought it for past ago on 2020 years. So actually it's amazing years I haven't seen. So I haven't seen the dinosaur really Norgacy. At first show about the dinosaur is Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus is actually a cruel creature. So once on time dinosaur was red creature is Tyrannosauridae haven't seen. So I found Ceratosaurus. I went tank with a Ceratosaurus. Actually, Ceratosaurus has a dinosaur is so weird. Also, I have thoughts about this. And so, this Spinosaurus, a cruel spine creature, also scary, a spooky one. Have a creature stuck a long ago for this. Also, the Screw Menace. Screw Menace at Blues. Yeah, I was by the April 2020, so it's already past ago, dinosaur ago. At first, let's show the fourth dinosaur thing about this. Altantosaurus. I bought in 2021. Actually, already passed the video. I haven't seen the earlier ago. And scan having this one. Cradleosaurus. I was waiting for a long spell pack. And seeing and next is Giganotosaurus. Giganotosaurus sort of creature I was bought for a long time ago. So let me question for the and last this Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus is really scary. So on the first time, also the dinosaur is really scary at all. Okay, thank you so much for my video. Like and subscribe for this. So long!